Hidden electrical faults and overheating circuits aren't always visible, but the right thermal camera can detect them in seconds. The problem is, not every model delivers the accuracy you need. In this video, we'll show you 5 of the best thermal imaging cameras to help you choose the right one. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now let's get started. Product number 1. MILESEEY TR256E/B. The MILESEEY TR256E/B thermal imager is built mainly for repair work, PCB inspection, and pipeline detection, where accuracy really matters. It comes with a 256 by 192 thermal resolution, which gives clear and reliable heat images for daily inspection tasks. While scanning, the performance feels smooth and stable, making it easier to spot overheating components or hidden temperature problems. This camera focuses more on accuracy and practical use rather than smart features, which many technicians actually prefer. It's especially suitable for repair professionals and serious DIY users who want dependable results without relying on phone apps. The downside is that beginners may need a bit of time to understand thermal color readings. It runs on a built-in battery that comfortably handles normal inspection sessions, and image saving is simple for everyday use. In terms of price, this model falls into the mid-range category, offering a good balance between performance and cost. Product number 2. BSIDE Thermal Imaging Camera. The BSIDE Thermal Imaging Camera is a solid choice for users who want better image clarity without complicated operation. It offers a higher 240 by 240 thermal resolution, which means you get more detailed heat images compared to basic models. The 320 by 240 full viewing TFT screen makes viewing comfortable from different angles, especially during longer inspections. This camera works well for electrical checks, mechanical inspections, and home energy diagnostics. Everything is handled directly on the device, so there's no need to connect a phone or app. That simplicity is a big plus for many users. The limitation is that advanced app-based analysis is not available. Battery performance is reliable for regular use, and images are stored directly on the camera. Price-wise, it sits in the mid-range category and suits users who value clarity and a standalone experience. Product number 3. UNI-T UTI 120S. The UNI-T UTI 120S thermal imaging camera is built for simplicity and ease of use, making it a popular option for beginners and home users. It features a 120 by 90 thermal resolution, which is lower than others on this list but still effective for detecting hot spots, cold areas, and temperature differences in everyday situations. This camera is commonly used for floor heating tube testing, basic construction checks, and general repair work. Its focus-free design and simple button layout make it very easy to operate, even if you have never used a thermal camera before. It is especially useful for quick inspections where speed matters more than fine detail. The main limitation is reduced image detail at longer distances, which means it is not ideal for advanced diagnostics. It uses a rechargeable battery that is suitable for short daily checks, and image storage is basic, but sufficient for simple record keeping. This camera is best for homeowners, maintenance workers, and first-time buyers who want a practical thermal tool without complexity. In terms of pricing, it clearly belongs to the budget category, offering good functionality for users who need basic thermal visibility at a lower cost. Product number 4. TOPDON TS001. The TOPDON TS001 adjustable lens thermal imaging camera is designed for Android users who prefer a compact and mobile-based solution. It offers a 256 by 192 thermal resolution along with a 9mm adjustable lens, allowing users to fine-tune focus for clearer images at different distances. This camera connects directly to your Android phone via USB-C and works through a dedicated app, effectively turning your phone into a powerful thermal inspection tool. The biggest advantage is portability, as it is lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. It works well for electrical checks, mechanical troubleshooting, and quick home inspections. However, it does depend fully on your smartphone for power and display, which may not suit users who prefer standalone devices. Images and videos are saved directly through the app, making sharing and reviewing very convenient. This camera is ideal for technicians, DIY users, and content creators who already rely on their phones for tools. From a pricing standpoint, it fits into the mid-range category, offering solid resolution and flexibility without reaching premium levels. Product number 5. Thor 002. The Thor 002 handheld thermal imaging camera is the most advanced option on this list. It offers X superscript 3 IR enhanced resolution up to 512 by 384, producing very detailed thermal images that make even small temperature differences easy to spot. The large 3.5-inch screen provides a comfortable viewing experience, and the wide temperature range from -20 to 550 degrees Celsius supports both home and professional use. The 4x digital zoom helps inspect distant or hard-to-reach areas without moving closer. This camera is ideal for electricians, HVAC professionals, and industrial inspectors who need accuracy every day. The drawbacks are its higher price and heavier body. It includes a large rechargeable battery and supports image saving with PC or app use. This model clearly falls into the premium category. That's it for today. If this video helped you choose the right thermal camera, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I share helpful videos like this every day to help you make smarter buying decisions. Check the description below for product links and the latest prices. We've done thorough research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully selected based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability, so you can confidently choose the best option for your needs.